Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give your Windows 11 a stunning 100% translucent glass look for your start menu and the taskbar and notification center and also your file explorer. Now let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's clean the desktop. Let's hide those desktop icons. So right click on anywhere on the desktop, go to view and just untick this show desktop icon. That way desktop is clean. Now let's download the two essential tools we need. So go into your browser. I'll put all this link in the description below. So go to Windhack, then click download. When that is done, click on Windhack to set up file to install. Click OK and next. Okay, once the download is finished, just click finish. Now the Windhawk application will open up. Okay, in here, we're gonna change the start menu and the taskbar and notification center as well. So we're gonna make all these transparent. So go to Explorer and first let's install Windows 11 Start menu style. Click on Details, then click Install, Accept Risk and Install. Okay, once that's done, go to Setting. In the Theme section, just choose Translucent Start menu. Now click Save Settings. Now if you go into Start menu, you can see the task menu is now transparent. Let's go back into Explore and click Windows 11 Taskbar Style. Click on Details. Same way, just install the application. Now go into Settings. Similarly, choose the theme Translucent Taskbar and click Save. As you can see, taskbar has been changed. Now go back again. Go to Windows 11 Notification Center Styler, Details, Install. Again, go back to Settings and the theme. Again, choose Translucent Shell. Now click Save Settings. Now, if you go into Notification Center, you can see it's transparent now. It in the Windhawk application. Close this out. Now go back to your browser and download the second link I have given you. So click download now. Okay. Now in the downloads folder, extract this file. Inside the file, you have the wallpaper and the wallpaper I have given to you, and also the making the application to Explorer, File Explorer transparent. So first, let's change the wallpaper. Right? Click on the wallpaper. Click Set as Background. Now, if you see something like this, just click on the taskbar and it should be appear correctly. Now, the second thing, this is the wallpaper. And the second thing we're going to do is copy this folder, go into your C drive, go into Program Files, and paste it here. Click Continue. Now open the folder and right click on the Register bat file. Right click on it, click Run as Administrator, and click Run. Okay, it will take few seconds. Let's see. Okay, now it's done. Let's open the File Explorer and see how it's look. Amazing, perfect. As you can see, the File Explorer has been transparent now. Start menu also is transparent. Navigation center, transparent. And that's it. Your Windows 11 now has complete glass aesthetic. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more customization tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.